In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on your activity status and appear online on your TikTok account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you had switched your activity status to appear offline on your TikTok account and you wish to turn this on, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and log into your account and then head to Inbox. Now from Inbox, you should see your status here. Currently, it shows that I'm offline, yet I'm online. To change this, go ahead and tap on it. And now here you can see your current status here. You're told your activity status is now hidden. I'll wish to go ahead and reveal it. So go ahead and toggle on activity status here. And now you can see your activity status will be turned on, and you can see your activity status is visible to friends. So each and every person who follows me will be able to see me or to see my online active status whenever I'm online. So that's how you can do it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.